Hello, welcome guys to our channel. If you are new to our channel, so you can subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Okay, in this video, we are going to start the Next.js tutorial. So let's start with the hello program in the Next.js. For that, we require two things, that is Node.js and the Visual Studio Code. And Node.js is used for the backend server, and for the code editor, we are using the Visual Studio Code. So let's jump to our IDE editor, that is visual code, and we'll type the button control and backtick, and we'll open the terminal, and just we need to run the command, that is npx create next tab at latest. So it will install the latest version of the Next.js. Okay, now it is asking the project name, so we will type the hello world app as a project name, and we will use the TypeScript as yes, and we will use as Island. We will be using the as its configuration which is showing. So we will hit enter, and we will be not using any import alias, and it will enter. Okay, now it will be installing the dependencies that is required by the Next.js project. So we'll wait for the installations of the dependencies. Okay, as you can see that the dependencies of the Next.js project has been installed. So we'll move to our the project, that is cd, and then hello world. Okay, now we are inside the project. Okay, now we have to type a command npm run dev. It will start the Next.js website, so it will take some time to start at the initial time. Okay, we need to allow. This will be asking for the first time if you have just installed the Node.js application. Okay, as you can see that the Node Next.js website has been running on the localhost 3000 port. I will just copy. It will take a little bit of times, as the install first time the installation of the Next.js takes a time for configuring the files and folders. Once it is run successfully, then you can make any changes, and it will be running fast. As you can see that the website of Next.js has been compiling. Once the compiling is done, then the website will be loaded. We'll wait for the compilation. Okay, now it is being compiled, and we'll check. As you can see that the Next.js website is now running. Now it is saying that the get started by editing the source app page.tsx. Okay, now we will move to this file path, that is page.tsx. Then it is in src folder. In src folder, it is telling app. Okay, in src folder, that is app folder. In app, there is a page.tsx. We are inside the page.tsx. Now we will change. We will be writing the hello world in place of the next.js. Okay, okay, we'll be removing this next.js logo, and we'll be typing as hello world, and just save. As you can see that the compilation is done fast. Now you can see that the hello world is already coming as written, because I have not given any styling, so it is showing like this. Okay, like this you can install the Next.js application in for UI. If you are having any doubt or confusion for the installations of the Next.js projects, so you can give us the comment. So we will try to solve the problem which you are facing. Okay, and if you are new to our channel, then you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.